Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you're well. In today's tutorial, we're going to do this gorgeous hairstyle perfect for a bride. I really hope you like it. If so, give us a big thumbs up and let's start with the video. Okay guys, first of all, we're going to do a division from ear to ear. So the easiest way for me is to do a division on the middle of the head and then from here to the ear on each side. Now we're going to add some volume to the hair and we're going to do this teasing the hair with the comb. We're going to grab small pieces of hair and tease it with the comb. We're going to do this just on the crown. Now bring back the hair and we're going to comb it very smoothly so the hair will look nice on the top. I'm going to apply some hairspray as well and comb the hair again. Perfect. I'm going to hold this section for a while and with the bottom part I'm going to hold the hair into a ponytail. Next, we will need a bun maker like this one. I'm going to pass the hair through the loop and hold it with some bobby pins. Now grab the top section. I'm going to comb the hair one more time. I want it to look perfect. And we're going to add some volume using the same comb. Good. In here we're going to twist the hair to one side and then we're going to push it a little bit and hold it with bobby pins. In this way we will have a nice puff on the top. For the ponytail we're going to grab a small piece of hair. I'm going to spray it with hairspray and I'm going to add some volume to the hair using my fingers. In here I'm going to use a bobby pin and then I'm going to pin in place this section. I'm going to hold it and I'm going to put another bobby pin so it will be firm. With the remaining piece of hair I'm going to pin it in place as well. And I'm going to add some volume so the hair will look very nice and smooth. And all we have to do is the same thing. We're going to grab a small piece of hair and pin it in place until you cover all the bun maker. Every time you have to spray the hair with hairspray and of course hide the ends. We're going to grab the remaining hair from the top as well and we're going to do the same thing. Every time guys, keep in mind that you can use all the bobby pins that you need. You have to use hairspray as well so the hair will be in place. And of course using the comb you can hide the ends and fix the flyaways. For the front section I'm going to do a zigzag partitioning here. And now we're going to grab the hair in small pieces and we're going to add volume teasing this section. Hold it aside for a while. Grab the next piece of hair and add it some volume as well. With all this section as well, you have to spray the hair with hairspray. As you can see in here, I left out some pieces of hair, very tiny, very close to the face, because at the end the hair will look very natural. When you're ready, we're going to bring back the hair and we're going to grab just the top section. I'm going to add some volume, we're going to comb it as well. I'm going to hold this section for a while and I'm going to start with a small piece of hair. I'm going to spray it with hairspray, add it some more volume, and now comb it very smoothly. With your hands, we're going to form a wave and pin it in place, hiding the ends between the curls. Now we're going to grab another small section from here and we're going to do the same thing. Spray the hair. Now comb it very smoothly, make a wave and hide the ends between the curls. To finish the right side, I'm going to grab the top section. You can give as much volume as you want, and now I'm gonna pin it in place as well. For the other side, we're going to do the same steps. As you can see in here, I left out some pieces of hair as well. Okay, to finish the updo, we're going to pull tiny pieces of hair from the back, just as I'm doing here, and we're going to curl them. You can use a curling wand, and the hair doesn't have to be really curled. It is just a smooth wave what we need. We're going to do the same thing with all the tiny strands of hair that we left out. Okay guys, this is all for today. We really hope you liked this video.
If you want to see more photos from this hairstyle or others, make sure you go to our website www.chicaschick.com.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on our next video. Bye!
Bye!